Hey, this is Surya, game 475. It's my progressive sprint. So in this, it's my game.cpp. Though this file is setups the camera, shader, mesh, and game objects. So in the code, yeah, this line helps to render the game objects in the file. And as you see in below load content, uh, we created the shader, mesh, and the game object here. Uh, this one is the shader node. So here comes the shader with the different colors, and this one was a mesh node. So here we create the mesh, and here comes the camera setup. So the camera position is used to set here. So the camera position is this one, and the target of the camera vertex was 0, 0, 0. Uh, and this was the field of view of the camera. It's 50 degrees. And now you can see the cube setup. Uh, in this the cube mesh, inside the cube mesh we have the complete vertex of the cube. These are the vertex of the cube, and this helps to form the model. And here comes the shader which we created and we added to the cube, and we add those graphic shaders and graphics to the graph to the solid shape of the cube. And here's the wireframe of the cube. And this one is the position of the wireframe of the cube. And here is the pyramid model. So as you see, uh, similar to the cube mesh, we have mesh pyramid. So in this we have the vertex of the pyramid and the colors of the pyramid. So here we get the pyramid axis to create a pyramid. And here comes the shader to add it to the solid frame and a wireframe. And these are the positions of the pyramid for the solid and the wireframe. And both pyramid and the cube are added to this game object manager. And every data is being stored and loaded in the PC trees. Here is the update. So in update, we have the camera loading every frame to update all game objects for every frame. And in render, we set the render target so that the game objects in render so that all render objects can be seen in the screen like pyramid and cube at a time. And the unload content that cleans up the shader mesh game objects manages and deletes the camera and remove the managers node managers too. And finally, clean deep stencil buffer helps to cleanse the scene by every frame, and it uses light blue and white colors. So overall, this this scene helps to load the cube and the pyramid uh, solid shape and wireframe with the camera and different colors.